the room of candles.
Mm-hmm.
Deep down below the mountain slopes of eastern Italy.
Oh, look at this. Slope is like this,
Yeah.
Slope is surface. There lies an angle like this. This angle. Do you know angle? Like this? Okay. We can say slope. Slope is a side of a hill or mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, slope. So keep going.
Italy is a magical cave known as the room of
When you say cave, cave is a large hole side of mountain or underground. Have you ever been into hole cave?
I don't know, but do you know
예, 광명동굴. There's a cave, okay?
Yeah.
You been there?
Yeah.
Okay. How was it?
So, it got colder, but it was really fun, and I got some treasure, but that's just not treasure. I'm so sad. It's just a stone.
Why is so sad? Why? Why is that?
Just a little stone.
Really? Okay, keep reading.
The room of candles.
Yeah.
I got this name from the white spikes of rock.
When do you say spike?
Spikes is like something really.
Yeah, you can see that?
Yeah.
That's called spike.
Spikes.
Narrow, thin shape,
In
a
shape.
sharp point
Sharp
at
points.
one end, okay?
One end.
Especially piece of metal with the shape.
Yeah.
So, do you know North Korea and South Korea? Boundary?
Yeah.
경계선? There's so many spikes.
Really?
Yeah. It's made of metal. So when maybe the defector might try to, cross a boundary, the North Korean, just the government, prevent them from getting over. Okay. They install this spike.
Yeah.
Okay, at the boundary. Okay.
It's like something really pointy and sharp.
Share pointed. And
That grows up from the floor of the cave with candles. They're really stalagmites.
okay, here. Stalagmite. Rock that rise from here like this.
Yeah.
Floor of cave, okay. Formed over a very long period of time by drop water containing lime falling from the roof of the cave.
And they grow in small cups of rock which
Looks like candle holder. Can you read the next one? Thousands of
years ago, people
shelter. Wait, when do you say shelter?
sheltered when storm is.
Shelter is a place where you can escape, When there's a war, there's earthquake, some places are called shelter. People can get in. They wait until, the earthquake settle down. Okay?
They painted picture of peasant and women months on the walls. It's like ancient people.
That's it. People who like to explore the secret world of underground tunnel caves are called potholes. Potholes. Okay, now here, look at this. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. What is the room
Candles?
of candle and where is it located?
It's a cave found under the mountains in eastern Italy, known as
Candle-like rock shape. One more time. What's the room of the candle? Where is it located? It's a cave found under the mountain in eastern Italy, known for its candle-like rock shape. Why is it called room of the candle?
Because it gets its name from the white spikes of rock that grows up from the floor of cave.
because of the white rock spikes on the floor. They look like candles standing in holders. What are those candle-like formation actually called? Number 3. They are called stalagmite, which rise from the floor of caves over time. One more time. What are those candle-like formation actually called? Stalagmite, which rise from the floor of the caves over time. How was the room of the candles formed? Rainwater slowly wore away the rock as it dripped through the ground over many years. What did ancient people use caves for? They took shelters. They took shelters in caves, decorated the walls with drawing of animals like bison. Okay, what are people called who explore underground caves and tunnel? Pot. Okay, pot holders. They enjoy discovering hidden caves. Okay, pot holders. Pot holders. Okay, they enjoy discovering hidden caves. Okay, then one more time. What is the room of the candle? Where is it located? It's a cave found under the mountain in eastern Italy.
Is a magical cave known as the Room of Candles.
Known for its candle-like rock shape. Why is it called the room of the candle?
It gets its name from the white spikes of rock that grows up from the floor of cave like candles.
And what are those candle-like formation actually called?
They're actually called stalagmites, and they grow in small cups of rock which look like candle holders.
And what are those candle-like formation actually called?
They're called stalagmites, and they grow in small cups of rocks which look like candle holders.
Okay, how was the room of the candle formed? How was the room of the candle formed?
How's the candle formed? They formed like.
Say loud.
Stay loud. Yeah.
No, you got to say loud.
Okay.
So that means what did ancient people use cave for?
They painted pictures of bison and woolly mammoths on the walls.
How was the room of the candle formed?
They formed.
Rainwater slowly wore away the rock as it dripped through the ground over many years. One more time. How was the room of candle formed?
They're formed of rainwater in one drop. They live in one drops in peanut.
Rainwater slowly wore away the rock as it dripped through the ground over many years. What did the ancient people use cave for?
They
took shelters in caves and decorated the walls with the drawings of animals like bison. One more time.
Thousands of years ago, people sheltered in the caves.
They took shelters in caves, decorated the walls with drawings of animals like bison. Okay, here's the last question. What are people called to explore underground caves and tunnels?
There are people who like to explore the secret world of underground tunnels and caves. They're called potholers.
Potholer?
Yeah.
What do they enjoy?
They enjoy exploring the secret world of underground tunnels.
Yeah, they enjoy discovering hidden caves.